One part of mixed martial arts is that we have ranges. So the first range was our striking range with our hands and our legs, so we were pretty far. But we'll go over this in our intermediate to advanced section on distance management. And then the distance closes slightly. And now you're in close quarter combat, the CQB. And this is where your power weapons, like your elbows, are going to start playing in. Elbows are dangerous. Blunt force trauma. So for inspiration, we look to the art that actually masters of the elbow, and that is Muay Thai. So we draw inspiration from Muay Thai. Okay, basic structures for elbows. Just run through it quickly. I get different kinds of elbows. I get round elbow strikes. I get downward elbow strikes. I get upward elbow strikes. Point number one, my nose is the target. Wherever my nose goes, my hands strike. My elbows want to come in line with my nose. This covers something we call the center line, and we're going to go through this in the intermediate. One thing I want to do when I throw my elbows is I don't want to make a fist, and I don't want to face the back part of my hand into the elbow. Why? See, I don't have the right antagonistic tension. When I say antagonistic tension, I mean the right muscle contraction for maximum power and especially alignment. I want to turn my hands outward. This way, I bring my forearm into the play. This creates enough tension for me to throw a powerful elbow strike. My palms are used as buffers. As the punch comes, I can touch the punch away, the strike away, bringing the elbow up and leaning into it. All right. Round elbow strike. I strike with my elbow in line with my nose. Round. Put it down. Round. Put it down. One small tip, if you go down to my feet, they actually are the rudders. Turning the heels out so I can get maximum rotation. If you notice, my elbow comes up first in line with my shoulder. It turns just over the center line, past my nose, and bring it back. Round elbow strike, round elbow strike. Utilizing the same principle of my center line with my nose, the upward elbow strike. I simply just drive my hand upwards, past the line of my nose, almost here to my forehead. That gives me a follow through. The other hand, follow through. Round elbow strike, round elbow strike. Upward elbow strike, upward elbow strike. For the downward elbow strike, I want to bring my elbow as close to my ear as I can. And from that position, I want to come back down in line with my nose, covering the center line. Quickly, with breathing, remember to rotate your ankles slightly, shift your weight forward onto both legs. Round, round, upward, upward, downward, downward. Breathe with every shot. Practice this. Set 2 minutes on your timer, 1 minute intervals. You can work it on the bag, you can work it in the air, but as I'm teaching you in the basic structure, just find your position. Once you've got this position, I will bring in the layers with footwork and head movement and clinch work. Blunt force trauma. Self-defense 101 is your elbows.